Oh, hey. I didn't expect to run into you here. How are you doing? That's good. That's good. I'm really happy to hear that. Of course. No, I'm doing better now that I met you. I'm sorry, that was probably a bit cheesy. Um, but no, I'm doing good. Here, do you want a drink? You look a bit thirsty. Of course. It's no problem. Here. Whoa, hey. Are you okay? Here, have a seat. Oh, okay. No, 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 no. Yeah, I won't. I'm not gonna leave you. Don't worry. Not until you're feeling better. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Hey, hey, come on, look at me. Hey, come on, stay with me. Now, like a light. Seems like it worked like a charm. And there you are. Welcome back to the land of the living. That was rude, passing out like that. I had to carry you back in the rain. It was very nice of you to just rest your head on my shoulder, though. You were so cute. I couldn't help myself. Me? Me? Put something in the drink I gave you? Well, I'm not gonna say I didn't, but okay, yeah, I did, but sorry. I haven't been able to get a wink of sleep the past few days. I've been too excited. Memorizing your patterns, learning all your routines, everything. It's okay. Mm-hmm. You're you're okay. You're gonna be okay as long as you're with me. Of course you are. I could never let any harm befall that cute little neko such as you. To be honest, I could have just maybe, I don't know, perhaps, um, just, you know, asked you out, but, where's the fun in that? So, um, no, I, Fine. No, What? What? I love you. I've always, well, loved you. From the moment we first met, actually. I never wanted to be without you. My heart ached whenever I was apart from you, and, you know, I, I'm sorry, this is dumb. I've already taken you, so I don't need to explain myself. Listen, I'm sorry that it had to be this way, but it has to be this way. It has, it has to be this way. It, it just has to be, okay? I can't be without you anymore. I am losing grip on myself. And when you're not here, I just lose myself even more, I think. I just, I can't be without you anymore. I just, I just can't. Okay? No matter what I do, I can't get over you. And I've tried. I've tried getting over you, but I just can't. And to be honest, I don't want to anymore. I'm, I'm sorry, but it has to be like this now. It just, it just has to be. Okay? And I won't let you go anymore. I can't let you go. Losing you would destroy me. I can't do it anymore. I don't want to. Okay. I I do love you. And I hope that you'll love me too. Will you please stay by me forever? Please. I don't want to do this without you. I can't do it without you. Time to think. Of course. Yeah. You need time. I get that. Okay, okay. Um, um did, wait. Sorry, I'm messing everything up. Do you need anything? Water? No additives this time. I promise. Anything. Do you want food? Any sort of drink? Anyone dealt with? I'll do it. I'll do anything for you. Just please don't leave me. Time. Okay. Good time. I can do that. I can do that. Here's a bottle of water. If you want it, you should have plenty of range of motion to get it. And okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go make you food. I think. Yeah. Food. Okay. Time and food. Got it. Okay. I'll see you soon. Um, don't try to escape, please.